Okay, it's been 2 days and 15 hours since I quit smoking. I didn't put that 14 MJ patch on this morning till after I was up for like 3 hours. But I tried to sleep in a lot, so I didn't have to do it. And then I waited 3 hours, but definitely feeling withdrawal again. It's from going down to that patch, but I'm not gonna change it. It looked like there was 7 in there. I'll do that. Other than that, I watch a lot of nicotine, tobacco, YouTube junk. Uploading my own YouTube for my cats and stuff, and trying to keep busy. Not finding I'm too busy. I was cleaning the craft room, but I just got some Amazon stuff here, so hopefully I get that going. But for day 3, I'm still smoking the pipe, and we're in that patch, step 2. I'm feeling it. Having a hard time. I should leave the sunroom, but it's still nice out, so I want to be out here. So anyway, I'll check in with you, and it's not day 2, it'll be day 3. Alright, this is the quit smoke journey. This is day 6 and 6 days and 12 hours, and I'm still finding it pretty hard. I stopped doing the NRT 2 days ago, so I accidentally fell asleep with it. And then the next day I cut it in half, and then I was just like, you know what? Just bite it. So it's been 2 days since I haven't had any nicotine in there, but 6 days since I smoked cigarettes. So another day and I'll be nicotine free, I guess. I don't know. But yeah, it's a struggle. I'm finding I'm sitting in the sunroom doing not too much. My tongue is so sore from sucking on candy. Not good. Tried sucking on hulls. They really bite. Most candy makes whatever you're drinking taste like shit. Still sucking on that marijuana pipe. This is legal here. Other than that, I don't know. It's tough. Doing a lot of watching videos still, so I don't know. Hopefully I check in. Hopefully I keep going. Trying to get through day 6, 12 hours and 11 minutes. Yeah. Anyone out there quitting, let me know how it's going for you. Keep checking in. Bye. This is quit smoking week 1, 10 hours. Week 1, 10 hours, so almost 8 days. I keep waking up with really bad restless legs. I've had restless legs for 15, 20 years. I've got medication for that, but I try to avoid that at all costs because it doesn't help. It just makes it worse when you don't take the medication. So I've noticed that with quitting smoking and also quitting sleeping pills, or reducing my sleeping pill intake, RLS, so everything's got a connection to that. Did not expect that to happen when I quit smoking, so that's really frustrating, and it happens in the morning, so I know likey. I feel really weird not smoking, I don't know. Yesterday I thought, well, I'm not going to be able to do this. And I'm like, well, I thought I already did do it, but I don't know. How many days does it take to be over it, or I don't know. All I know is I sit here all night and I'm not doing anything on it, and I don't do things during the day. I just kind of don't do things. I don't know if it's not motivated, or I feel frozen stuck, or nicotine stuck. I don't know. So, not doing too good this morning. Still hanging in there. I like to go take a hot bath, but it's like first thing in the morning. And my husband laughed at me yesterday. How many baths do you have? I said I'm going to take a bath whenever I feel like it. It's kind of the way it is. So, anyway, I think he's off for a couple days. So, it's so much easier just to be by myself when I'm trying to quit smoking, because if I just sit here and do nothing, then I know I'm sitting here doing nothing. They might not understand it. I don't even understand it, but at least I don't feel like I'm gotta be something I'm not that day. I don't know. Anyway, anybody having any luck with the quit smoking thing? Time is all I got under my belt. I don't feel like I licked it. Okay. 1 week, and probably 15 hours. Anyway, keeping super busy, doing cat food stuff, cleaning a jar, cleaning cat food stuff, going to McDonald's, but making that, cleaning my cups, making a mess, cleaning up, cleaning cat food stuff. That's what I'm doing to keep busy and trying not to be outside. And it's gloomy out, so it's getting cold, and holy man. But I'm good. I'm good. I'm not thinking about it too much. Just doing the dishes. This is me 1 week, 1 day, 12 hours. I don't feel like I look different. Husband's home today. I'm pretty struggling, so. Just keeping busy. I got a runny nose, and I'm trying to finish yesterday's laundry. Second cup of tea. Usually when I want to smoke the most. Just can't get motivated. Just wanted to sleep today because I didn't want to be up. I'm asleep. I don't even know. Time went by. Sitting here watching time go by on the app just because I figure, like, if I could get to 4 weeks, then drippy nose will stop, sleeping disruptions will stop, he's blowing loose, so I could talk to you later. Good morning. I'm having my morning cup of tea and no cigarette. I'm at 1 week, 10 days, 1 week and 3 days, and 10 hours. And I'm not finding it too terribly hard. I find the mornings the worst because that's when I want to wake up and think, God, I want to have a cigarette. And I don't. Still smoking on this nasty pipe. Turn this around for a second. The new meds I made. About it. Oh, page can't. Yeah, that's my new big mess. Pipe smoking. So, as you could see, no cigarettes. So, gotta quit doing that. It's getting pretty cold out here, so that's probably gonna happen real soon. I don't know. The last couple of days, I thought to myself, oh, I hope I can do this, and I didn't think I was gonna say the word I hope I can do this, so I hope it sticks. I had a weird craving yesterday. Yeah, doing alright. Still hanging in there, not smoking. Good morning. We are 1 week, 3 days not smoking. So that's like 10 days and 10 hours. So it just seems like it should be so much longer, but it really isn't. So, still hanging in there. The cravings are still there. The morning after I eat. This morning I had an orange because I heard oranges kind of sped up your metabolism and help that deal with itself. Plus they're full of vitamin C, which smoking depleted you of, which is probably why my arm is still broken. Probably have more to say about that kind of thing than the non-smoking thing. Come on here and talk about why I don't have a craving is kind of weird, but if anybody's out there, day 10, 1 week, 3 days, 10 hours, or wants to share their link with me about quitting smoking, I pretty well watched everything on the internet, and they're redundant. Anyway, good luck. Talk to you soon.